Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to make your own book using just one piece of paper and scissors. You don't need any other tools besides these. If you use a regular size piece of printer paper, it'll come out about this big. If you have bigger paper at home, you could try to make a bigger book as well. Let's get started. All right, to make the book, you'll need one sheet of paper. It can be lined, it can be plain, it can even be used on one side already because one side is going to be on the inside. So I'm using a scrap paper that's already used on one side. And the first step is to fold it in half. Hamburger fold, fold it in half again. You want to make those nice sharp creases. That's going to help the book come together in the end. One last fold. Again, really push down on those edges when you're making the folds. And then when you unfold it, you should have 8 equal sections. Now we need one cut right in the middle of the paper. So to get into the middle, we're going to do that same fold we did at the beginning. And starting on that folded edge, very important you start on the folded edge. You're going to take some scissors and you are going to cut right along that fold until you get to that intersection where it reaches where those other folds cross. It's okay if you cut a little too far, but you don't want to cut it too short. Now you're going to hot dog fold, long and skinny, fold in half this way and push those edges together. There we go, flatten that out. And one more fold in half. Again, make those nice straight creases. And now when you open it up, you're going to see you have a cover and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages inside and one back cover as well. So I took my book that I made and I just made a book about colors. So there's 6 colors in the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And I just cut out some pictures from magazines and glued those in there and a back cover on the back. So that's it. Once you have your blank book, you can put whatever you'd like in it. I showed you my book about colors, but you can make your book about whatever you want. You could make it about things you like, about your toys, about plants, animals. You can cut out pages from magazines or draw on it. Really, whatever interests you. If you have made that kind of book before, or you want to just make it a little bit more difficult, I have another video about how to add a cover. So you have 8 pages inside and sort of like a hardcover. So check out my next video if you want to see that.